In today's video, we're diving into the best sticker maker apps for Android that let you create and customize your own stickers for messaging. These apps offer fantastic features to help you express your creativity in a fun way. Let's get started. Sticker Maker WASticker. Sticker Maker WASticker is a popular app designed specifically for creating custom stickers for WhatsApp. The app features a user-friendly interface that allows you to create stickers from your own photos or images. You can easily cut out the parts of the image you want to turn into a sticker, add text or decorations, and save them in the app. With WASticker, you can create personalized sticker packs and share them seamlessly on WhatsApp. The app also supports various creative options, making it easy to express your personality through stickers. Sticker.li, Sticker Maker. Sticker.li is another excellent sticker maker app that provides a wide range of features for creating custom stickers. With its intuitive design, users can easily transform their images into stickers by using a simple cutting tool. Sticker.li also allows users to add text, emojis, and other embellishments to enhance their creations. One of the standout features of this app is the community section, where users can share their stickers with others and discover stickers created by fellow users. The app supports exporting stickers to popular messaging apps, including WhatsApp and Telegram, making it easy to share your artistic creations. Sticker Maker Android. Sticker Maker Android is a straightforward app that enables users to create their own sticker packs for various messaging platforms. The app provides tools for cutting images and adding text, allowing you to customize your stickers to match your style. With an easy-to-navigate interface, Sticker Maker Android makes it simple for beginners and experienced users alike to create stickers quickly. The app allows you to save multiple sticker packs, ensuring you can organize your creations effectively. Once you're done, you can easily share your stickers with friends and family on different messaging apps. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Sticker Maker WASticker, Sticker.li, and Sticker Maker Android helps you find the perfect app for creating your own personalized stickers. Until next time, happy sticker making.